I want to pull the kit off the 14 before the sun goes down. We have around, I don't know, it's about 6:30 now, so we've probably got maybe half an hour of sunlight. I don't know. This is, I'm not going to say interesting because it's not interesting, it's just sad. From what I can tell, this is a Urus Type S Monkey Magic rear bar. The skirts are, I'm not sure if anyone recognises them, feel free to correct me. So it is hanging on, but just by a bit of Sikaflex along the top here, which is kind of split that a little. This one's one tech screw. The rest of the rear bar I think is connected with the 2 number plate bolts, and then one more tech screw on this side. It looks like this guy's already ripped this off before. It's got quite a bit of damage on it. This one, oh look, we have a screw in this one, and a bit of more Sikaflex and a bit of a patch job there. They're not bad skirts, I'll give them that. Like they're kind of cool looking, but they just don't suit this kind of look, I don't think. That one might be Sikaflexed on, yeah, with a bolt. But this one, we have more tech screws in the front. So let's get this kit off and see what the CWS DRFT kit may look like on an S14. The reason I'm curious is good luck finding a photo of a CWS DRFT kit that is not the original one from the 90s or the early 2000s that was released by Japan and CWS itself. I can't see photos of other people running the full kit, so I'm keen to see what it looks like. The side skirts in this rear bar are very low compared to the front bar, so we might get lucky, and the CWS kit may actually sit a little higher than these, which means I can then dump the car lower on the coilovers, because at the moment it's pretty high. Alright, let's see what we find under the bar. I've just got it off. It honestly doesn't look very old, and it's in pretty good nick apart from the butchered sides that it mounts onto. Still pretty clean on the inside too. Doesn't look like it's been resprayed any more than just the once with the red. So I'd say the guy that had this car bought the rear bar specifically for this car. Looks like when the respray happened, they've left it the factory colour. It is factory red, so it could just be the original paint, which makes sense as to why it's in better condition. Oh, sorry bro. We've got tape, electrical tape under here for God knows what reason. Okay, he was trying to block off a hole with tissue paper and electric. Okay, that's a new one. That's definitely a new one. Oh wait, no, it's a garbage bag. It's like a plastic wow. Oh, this one's just got electrical tape. It wasn't good enough for a shopping bag, apparently. Dead lizard. Oh wow. And it's all brand new though. What a pain. We're going to try and get some tin in the next couple of weeks and try to board up this whole side of the carport here. Try and box it in a bit more, and then start collecting bags of concrete and try and concrete this down. I don't know how yet, but we'll do something. Sorry Ichigo, I will get back to this very, very soon. It pains me greatly to see it in this condition, just sitting there. Especially when I spent the last 12 years just driving it everywhere. Hello Ray. I see you've been raided by the cats again. Oh, I want to get this out and give it a bath. So much to do, so little time. Alright, here's our river. And then our side skirt should be over there, yes, in the corner. No sooner than I get back up, somebody just has to jump on my car. What are you doing, Pandem? He knows he's in trouble now. Don't get in my boot. Get down. Attention seeker. He's a terror. This is the JSI rear bar. Good news is it is considerably higher than the Urus bar that was on it, which is great because it means I can slam the car a lot lower and get the wheel fitment a lot nicer than what it was. JSI has done a pretty good job with this kit. I've had it sitting around now for probably I don't know what, a year or two, So I've had it in the shade all the times. It's been its bubble wrap, so I haven't had to worry about warping or anything. But compared to the other bar, even the gap here is not too bad. Comes up more. This part here pops in. It was super tight to get on. Stay. I pulled that up before, but yeah, that goes up. Ugh. So the exhaust will, again, obviously have to come off, but we have quite a lot more clearance now compared to the other one. Sorry, black bar makes it kind of hard to see. It looks so 90s though, it's great. Alright, just got the other side skirt off. Again, it doesn't look like it's been on and off any other car except for this car, so this dude must have bought these also brand new. They have no logo on them, so that may be reinforcing that they are reps. I don't know enough about 14s to confirm without a doubt. They were Sikaflexed on. He's even got these little tabs of Sikaflex all over the car to mount the kit. Good to know though that there are no big dents in the rails. Actually, that's really straight. So I was checking the odometer earlier. The car apparently has 140,000 kilometers on it. I'm currently pulling the kit off using a really thin guitar string to try and get the Sikaflex, because the kit itself is quite narrow at the top there. You can see how thin this is. So it probably looked nice in its prime when it was first painted. But I am glad I am swapping the kit out. Alright, and side skirt is on. It's not OEM fitment, but it's not bad. This is probably really hard to see being black as well. Look at the height difference from the two side skirts. So these skirts have like a slight little indent on the bottoms of them here, which means that you could probably run a really nice decal or something, or some form of accents. It's a shame that doesn't line up, but that's still okay. And height-wise, height is better. It's not the best, but it's not bad. We've got what? Just above my knuckles, so we get a cloud length on the rear bar, and we have not a cloud length on the side skirt. I think that looks still pretty cool. This is gonna be fun. Now I'm kind of tossing up, do I not paint it like a really dark gunmetal black? Maybe I should paint it like a really bright colour, like a neon Cadbury purple or something. With green T37. The nighttime is not the best for this. But hey, progress is progress. Alright, I'm gonna get this other skirt off, call it for the night, because I'm getting eaten alive by mosquitoes. And then I'll show you what it looks like tomorrow when we don't have a garden and a wall in the way and we have some sun.
Oh, you got the delicious gold in there now.
Yeah, so a little gooey in there.